It's Esther the esthetician here with another video for you. Today, my goal is to help you make makeup optional. So welcome to the Clear Skin TV show. Be sure to rate, comment, like, and subscribe, and share this video with 3 people who might find it useful. Join me on social media and join the challenge. I list the challenge down below. It's luxurylotusspa.com/clear skin challenge, or just clear skin. But I look forward to seeing you. Ask me a question. Stay tuned for today's video. If you have any question, please remember to post them down below, and I will make sure to respond to every question. Hello. Alright, so we are going to be talking about my first chemical peel, or just chemical peel experience, the process, and I will also include my before and after so you can see what my skin looked like most recently and what it looks like now. Alright, so my first peel was freshly, this was in beauty school. While I was in beauty school, the company that I use right now, they came to the school and they were teaching a class. It was like a 3-day 8-hour class, like, so 3 days of 8-hour sessions. It was something along those lines, and they gave you a textbook, and then they sent you the products for you to play with, and it was so much information. Like, it was, keep in mind I'm just starting school, so it was a lot of information that went over my head. However, I was in love because I just loved the fact that they were so like, their strength. For me, it was a strength, the fact that they were so driven towards education, continuing education, and it was love at first sight, and I've been using them ever since then. Love them to pieces. Both times that I've cleared my acne and the acne scars, it's been with the same line. So yeah, I love it. I love it. I love it. So my chemical peel process, so I had one in beauty school, actually. But it didn't feel like anything was happening, really. But then the one that I had when I went to that seminar, because we had an opportunity to kind of play around with the product on one another. Of course, the instructor was there kind of walking us through it. But I was just in love with the entire process, and then I could see the peeling happening, and I could see a difference in my skin. So yes. So for me, the way that I do it is I have the clients come in first for a consultation, because I want to see how their skin's doing, where they are, what their goals are, and everything. And that also, during that time, I use that to kind of test the sensitivity to products that I carry, just to make sure that we won't have a problem down the line. So that's one of the many things that I check when they come in. I check to see whether or not their skin is dry, is more oily, like where they are, where they've been, things that's worked, things that didn't work, and what they're trying, like what's the end goal for them, so then I know which route we need to take. So during the consultation, I usually would send them home with the ebook that gives them a basic home care regimen, and it also talks about the professional treatment phases, because I do phases, so phase 1, phase 2, and so on and so forth, and then we move on to maintenance once you get the results that you want. But most of it, though, like, it's mostly things that you're doing at home, because I use this statistic a lot. It's 1 to 59. You see me, say, once a month, yet you have 59 other opportunities for you to take care of your skin yourself. So if you are cleansing and moisturizing 2 times a day, and there is 30 days in a month, so that would be 60, and you see me one, you still have 59 other opportunities for you to take care of your skin. All right. So for that reason, I like to see the clients. I'll do a facial on them, and after they finish, so the first facial is consultation. Next facial is actually the oftentimes the peel or microdermabrasion. I usually don't like to mix the two for the first treatment, especially for a client that I don't know their skin, because everyone's skin is different. There is no one size fits all. So I like to see how their skin reacts to each product individually before I combine the 2 products together. At least that way I know they were fine when I did it with the microderm, they were fine with the peel. It's when I put it together, if that's where the problem is, then I know that's where the problem is. But if very first treatment, I mix everything, send them about their way, then I wouldn't be able to tell, you know. So those, I have my notes here. Those are some of the things that you do want to keep in mind. And then I like to send my clients home with a post-procedure kit, and what that does is, what that has is like everything that they would need, from cleanser, moisturizer, sunscreen, everything to make sure that the treatments are like the treatment is predictable pretty much. So it gives them home care, and it literally lists out sun, moon, AM, PM, like you know what you need to do, you know when you need to do it. And that way it just makes sure, like especially for the first 3 to 7 days after your peel, it's so important for you to be using the right product for your skin, because otherwise you could be wasting your time, your money, your energy, and everything. So those are things that you should definitely keep in mind moving forward when you do decide to do something like that. All right, so I hope today's episode was helpful for you. Be sure to check down below. I will list down how you can get your hands on that free guide, and stay tuned. All right.